one and all present here. I, Vaishnavi Ahir from Standard 12th Science is going to present a PPT on Rohini satellite. Rohini is a series of satellites launched by the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO). The Rohini series consisted of 4 satellites, each of which was launched by the Satellite Launch Vehicle (SLV), and 3 of which made it successful to orbit. The series were mostly experimental satellites. Satellites in series were Rohini Technology Payload, Rohini RS-1, Rohini RS-D1 and Rohini RS-D2. The below picture represents the Rohini rocket family. The first experimental satellite was Rohini Technology Payload. Rohini Technology Payload was a 35 kg experimental spin stabilized satellite designed with the power handling capability of 3 volt. It was launched on board SLV-3 on its maiden flight from Shar Center, Sriharikota on August 10, 1979. The satellite contained instruments to monitor the flight performance of SLV-3, the first Indian launch vehicle. However, the satellite could not be placed into its intended orbit. The below table represents the information about the launch. RTP is one of the experimental satellites. Spin axis control technique is used for this satellite. The communication is made using VHF, very high frequency band. It was 22.7 meters red and white rocket. The first phase of Indian rocketry program ends and the mission was partially successful. The second experimental satellite was Rohini RS-1. RS-1 was a 35 kg experimental spin stabilized satellite designed with a power handling capability of 16 volt. It was successfully launched on board SLV-3 from Shar Center on July 18, 1980 into an orbit of 305 into 919 kilometers with an inclination of 44.7 degrees. All the fourth stage parameters of SLV-3 were successfully telemetered with the ground station by RS-1 during the launch phase. The satellite had an orbital life of 9 months. The satellite carried digital sun sensors, magnetometers, and temperature sensors. The structure was made of aluminium alloy. The below table represents the information about the launch. The story of RS-1 is shown below. The third experimental satellite was Rohini satellite RS-D1. RS-D1 was a 38 kg experimental spin stabilized satellite designed with a power handling capability of 16 volt. It was launched on board SLV-3 from Shar sector on May 31, 1981. The launch was a partial success as the satellite did not reach the intended height and thus it stayed in the orbit for only 9 days. The satellite carried a solid-state camera using linear array of detectors for remote sensing applications. The below table represents the information about the launch. It achieved an orbit of 186 kilometers into 418 kilometers, which is minimum 116 into 260, with an inclination of 46 degrees. The satellite carried a solid-state camera for a remote sensing application such as landmark tracker and performed the specifications. The last and the fourth experimental satellite was Rohini satellite RS-D2. Rohini satellite RS-D2 was a 41 kg experimental spin stabilized satellite designed with a power handling capability of 16 volt. It was launched on board SLV-3 from Shar Center on April 14, 1983. The smart sensor camera was the primary payload on board the satellite. It has sent more than 5,000 pictures frames in both visible and infrared bands for identification of features and demonstrated the techniques of determination of attitude and orbit using images. The below table represents the information about the launch. It was launched into an orbit of 317 kilometers into 861 kilometers, which is minimum 231 into 535 and an inclination of 46 degrees. The satellite was in operation mission life for a month, 4 months, and its main payload was a smart sensor camera. Took over 2,500 pictures. The camera had onboard processing capability to use the data for classifying ground features like the vegetation, bare land, clouds, and snow. After an orbital life of 7 years, the satellite re-entered the Earth's atmosphere on 19th April 1990. Therefore, I conclude my PPT. Thank you.